Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes, this video is about repotting. I am repotting my coffee Arabica and my Alocasia Alocasia amazonica. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching. This is my Alocasia or Alocasia poly or Alocasia amazonica, which I bought some time ago. I enjoyed painting this morning, and I will be repotting because some of the roots are actually coming out, so it needs maybe a bigger or a better planter or pot. So this is it, and these are the two roots that are coming out. I will be moving it into a plastic planter, which I will be spray painting in a nice dark green color. So we'll see. I'll show you. Here it is in all its glory in the new planter. I still haven't named my Alocasia or Alocasia amazonica / poly. I still haven't. I am also repotting my coffee Arabica plant. There are actually about 14 small plants in one pot, so I will be dividing them and each will get its own pot. I'll show you the result in a few. And since I'm new at gardening, I've had my share of killing plants when it comes to dividing them. I've had my share of planting so many seeds in one pot and then, attempting to divide them and then killing them eventually. So this one. Yeah, I did kill a few or cut a few roots. So I'll let you know how it goes. Wait for it. Oh, and that's cinnamon for rooting. Just a few more to go. Yes. And here they are. Each has its own rightful place. I'll let you know in a few weeks if they survive or not.